really need to get a car wash. It's like 5:20, 5:30 a.m. and we're here in Norman, so I gotta get this thing washed up. I haven't washed it in like 2 weeks. Honestly, I've been really slacking. The front end is really dirty. But not only are we heading to OKC, I'm actually gonna try a vlog today. I've never vlogged. This will be number one, vlog one. I'm not used to carrying the camera around, but I've never actually vlogged throughout a day. It's always just a certain section if I do film at all. But today we are going to the Oklahoma Summer Bash, and that's why I had to get up so early, because my car isn't set up. Everybody's cars got set up yesterday. I was at work all day. So we're heading to OKC now, like I said. I love this car. It's so loud. I'm trying to decide if we need gas because it's a 40-minute drive. I don't think we do because I do have a little over a quarter and we're going to a show and it's going to be set for like 8 hours. So I'll just get gas after the show. Short shift this thing is still as fun as just full throttle. It's a good morning. It's be a good day. Let's keep going. Cold start. Guys, check out this Nismo here, and then we got the GTR and the S2000, and now we're about to start rolling out to the show.
Hunter, that's you? Is that all you guys have?
Okay.
Just you two?
Okay.
For
Yeah,
now?
For all your information.
The other two are on their way?
Bailey, oh, you gotta sign up.
Yeah, what class am I?
Will you do me a favor, guys?
Yep.
Can you, don't forget to put that in your car, babe.
Okay, thank
Who
you.
needs to pay with the card?
Just got registered. They're gonna park us outside, but they're trying to get us inside, so that's what we're doing now. We're inside the event now. I still don't know where I'm gonna be parking, but we got Joe's car here. It's 2000, the Mustang. It's weird because I've never been to a show with this kind of crowd. So as we were sitting inside trying to figure out what to do with the GTR and my M4, whether it's outside or inside, they said they have 5 spots. There's 4 of us inside, and I was like, no, well, either 2 of us will go outside or it's not gonna work. So what they said is, okay, we'll sneak 6 in. So we're heading in to meet up with them. GTR, it's probably gonna be a little wait, and then after this I believe we're gonna go get breakfast. We're just gonna stage the cars and get out of here. We're gonna ride the Lime scooters around. I brought the big camera today, so that's gonna be really fun trying to ride a scooter with a big old camera. But
So we play Need for Speed.
what's for breakfast, boys?
Waffle chip, yeah. We're gonna ride the scooters all the way to Waffle chip.
Let's move loud.
Bet! Hey! Bet! They said they're gonna ride scooters all the way to Waffle chip.
Disconnect the battery. All staged up. I'm gonna go get some waffles here pretty soon.
Yeah,
This is a 405 tire, 26-inch wheel.
I feel like
Those lips could fit my old BMW wheels in. Those were 14 wides.
What are these?
I don't know. I mean, it's a 405, and it's the negative offset.
gotta
It's
realize
into that
there's
inner lip. It's like slim to none.
There's like no inside of it.
There's like no
It's
inner
like
lip.
all lip on the outside.
This frame is crazy. Craftsmanship and the welds too. I've never been at a show with this type of seat. I don't even know what to look for. Look at the sketching in that dip. Like they strip design it.
These stuff have way more money into like making a stance cars. Like this, like
That had taken forever though. Whoever did is probably a tattoo artist.
yeah, but again, like
see
these
the
type of
chains?
cars, they have like easily over 100 grand.
Yeah, see those chains to prevent it from like going too far? They're attached to the chassis.
Like,
This isn't my style, but I'm amazed by the detail. Like, look at the bumper. Like June, look at her knee. And then you got a tiny wheel. Look at the rotors.
oh my goodness,
I didn't even drive on that.
you don't. You swap them out.
It's probably like a $10,000 rotor right there just because of the design in it.
10,000 each.
Look at that seat, how it swings out when you open the door. I'm genuinely like amazed. It's like all beach styled.
It looks like they came from SpongeBob.
Some clean Oklahoma builds I've never seen. That's goals to pull my car with. Supercharger, SVT, Honda. They did like a marble dash on this thing. This Jeep's pretty sick too. What is this?
Looks like a 280.
What?
A 280.
It's a 280? Yeah, what? A kid made it like turn into something else. What's that door handle? How do you even use that?
That's the gas tank.
Is it? Oh no!
That's the gas tank.
Yeah, that's the gas tank.
There's the gas tank.
That's the gas tank.
That's the gas tank.
Oh my gosh. Gas. Diesel. It is a 280.
It's an anniversary edition. Like a kit or like?
I would never recognize that.
Okay.
Honeycomb
If
wave.
you do not have your wristbands on, you need to put them on before the show starts. If you do not have your wristbands on, you will be escorted out of the building. So please,
Some sick cars
do not
here.
have
That car literally is blowing me away of how much details are involved in these things, guys. So sick. We're vlogging now. We're going for it.
Right now?
Yep. Hey! We're gonna go get the scooters and then ride to direct this place. It's clean though.
My favorite car is the Matrix when it came out.
When the last time these things were touched, all just thrown around. Pick your poison. Which one do you want?
It'd probably be easier.
Well, they're all in the same shape,
tall.
so. I one hand. It's actually pretty sketchy. I'm gonna put the camera down because this is sketchy. I'll be there at the restaurant.
Scraped up.
We're straight mobbing. That was fun.
I just went through it and my front tire came up and I walked all the way. I was like, oh.
Yeah, we should have made a reservation.
Yeah, I'm hungry. So I've never been here.
It's waffles and chickens and stuff.
What?
Waffle and chicken.
Wild, it's only like
Get some chicken waffle.
What else do you guys?
I do a chicken waffle.
Chicken and waffles. That was a delicious meal.
Are you missing some?
Wait, which one was the bad
Oh
one?
my gosh.
I don't know. I'm just gonna take the one on the very end because I know it's not the bad one. We've lost a few members. Their lines died. We went to like this little bike park. I forgot to pull up the camera. I regret it. No one wants ice cream? There's ice cream. What is this?
Did y'all stop selling ice cream?
You're Greg now?
Go need some stuff dirty.
Let's go track down the fellow that we left.
7-Eleven we passed probably would have. We're not 7-Eleven. That shelf. There's a dollar store right down here. That's what she said.
I wonder how far back Greg is. Anyone notice when he quit going?
Yeah. Somebody said he's stuck at the bridge. Under that bridge.
They might have to get an Uber if they're like stuck.
They can double up on one.
They can double up.
If they think.
Oh, no.
We can take one of these from like dead, or like fully charged to dead for like 18 bucks. Trying to get
Is that ready to go outside?
Let's go inside, bro. Outside.
We're squatting out here.
Keep on watching that video.
This is where I wipe out.
Alright.
Here, Greg, over there.
Oh, little man.
The oddballs of the show. Us. I love Greg's Mustang. That wrap is so beautiful. We have wood shavings all over our cars.
Lines over here, what is it?
From over there. It is bouncing this. From over there. Insane. Well, welcome to the video since you're just now arriving at the end of the event. It's been a good
Let's explain this build situation.
I missed all that.
Oklahoma's finest.
Got a reward, which is actually very surprising. We're about to leave. I'm gonna get this thing jumped to get the battery disconnected because there's not a way to undo the battery. I dare you. Over. We actually got a reward, like I mentioned, pretty impressive for a show that this car does not belong to. It was actually a good experience too, like being a different whole car community, the way people act, the way they look, the cars they drive and what they do to the car. You just need to have respect for every car that's out there, whether it's a classic or I guess a bouncer you can call it, a lowrider, a stance car, a track car, a drag car, a drift car, the Formula, it'd be anything. Cars are cars, and it's the fact that we all have the same passion for it. Now, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm hoping I'll have many more in the near future. Other than that, you guys have a good day, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.